We're going to begin at 5 with a Dearborn man facing ethnic intimidation charges for going on an anti-Semitic and racist rant outside an Oakland County synagogue. Glad you're with us on this Monday at 5. Today, 35-year-old Hassan Choker appeared in court and went off on the judge as he was arraigned on a number of charges stemming from the incident at Temple Bethel.
Choker was given $1 million bond and a long string of restrictions if he's able to post it. Rod Maloney live at Temple Bethel tonight. Rod, so as the judge read those restrictions is when he went off.
Yes, and it was interesting to see what and where he went off. You'd be thinking that $1 million bond would get your attention, but it was something else that got that. We'll see that in a second. But as you can well imagine, security out here is very tight. They're deeply concerned out here at Temple Bethel about this incident that happened on Friday, but there has been drama all weekend that brought us to this. Shakur is under $1 million cash bond, which he doesn't have. Yet it was losing social media privileges setting him off.
Including but not limited to Instagram. You may not use or possess any weapon or firearm. There's to be no...
Charged with 2 felony counts of ethnic intimidation, Shakur claims that his arrest violates his freedom of speech, screaming,
"The way you're judging me, God's gonna judge you the same way."
Mr. Shakur, you're not helping yourself.
I don't care.
Shakur took and posted video of himself screaming at people at Temple Bethel whether they support Israel and shouting, "Shame on you." Later, he recorded a Bloomfield Township police stop when the incident ended up reported. Temple Bethel Rabbi Mark Miller told Local 4.
This was terrorizing for a lot of us, for those who were here.
The traffic stop video showed up on social media, giving many, including the rabbi, pause as to why he wasn't arrested then.
He said on video to the police officers, "I'm going to another synagogue." So it felt very threatening, and I guess I can't comment on how they work behind the scenes, but it looked very bad.
Bloomfield Township Police Chief John Gallagher told Local 4 these cases are tough to prove.
At the time, we did not have the information to meet the threshold of the ethnic intimidation that we, at that time, we needed to further that investigation, and part of that is making sure we positively identify the subject that was driving that van.
Now, Bloomfield Township Police are stepping up their patrols of not only this synagogue, but others and other facilities in the area to make sure something like this doesn't happen again anytime soon. There's so much to this story. For instance, it was Dearborn police who actually picked up Shakur. They did that Saturday morning, brought him here Sunday. He was brought to the Oakland County Jail where he remains tonight. Shakur returns to court in 2 weeks. Reporting live in Bloomfield Township, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
Story we will continue to follow. Rod, thank you.